My name is Nur Afika Inshira, 20 Elnis. Today, I want to present about company background. My company background is JJ's. JJ's is Australian apparel chain store, founded in 1993. JJ's owned and operate by the Just Group. JJ's has over 200 stores located in Australia and also at New Zealand. JJ's shop focus on clothing for younger people. The clothing such as shorts, jacket, and so on. But JJ's not only selling clothing, but accessories also. The accessories is very suitable for women and men. The accessories such as sunglasses, bags, socks, and so on. But now we want to innovate JJ's clothing in terms of designs, packaging for marketed in Malaysia. For women clothing, we want to pattern with long sleeve, while men's casual t-shirt. For packaging, we want to process packaging from plastic to quality box to make it easier to customer to buy it.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Haziram Tuma Mahmudin. My matrix number is 820A2315. JJ's design, manufacture and sell the highest quality men and women designer. JJ's distribute products through their online store, boutique retailers and brick and mortar fashion outlet across Australia and New Zealand. Wholesale is the key part of JJ's strategy through various sale trade show across Australia and New Zealand. JJ's outstanding brand position has brought success to them at the local stage in the fashion apparel industry. Besides, fashion apparel is the second large production industry, hence the stylish fashion giant retailers, and this will explain about how JJ's achieve competitive advantage to manage cut down production and even save costs. In the same time, maintain their promises to deliver superior quality clothing for everyone. Strength is formula or policy used by a company to provide advantage such as the name recognition, brand position, and income. For example, JJ company has two distribution channel and the finished line of clothing is easier to buy buyers with income gaps. Weakness are costs that are useless or insistent than expected, unknown or lacking in an item. The drawbacks option frustrate a considered weakness is SWOT analysis. Number 3, opportunities. Show each region either by itself and connect with foreign countries in identify opportunities in business. Abolition of new or accessible raw materials such as fabric of thread to improve the quality of the product. Politics and economic are one of the main sources of threats to brands in the fashion industry. The supplies of raw material and the economic recession leading to limited consumer spending are threat to the accessibility of raw material, brand exposure and name recognition, distribution and consumer purchase. For example, a consideration in the fashion industry is climate change in developing countries where the COVID-19 pandemic spreads. Measure an item to see if it tends to be accomplished or not. For instance, JJ network good is deal by 25% and listen by half from client received on item delivered. Number 2, achievable is the target urge to be inside the reservation of the organization group abilities. JJ organization need to sustain the cost the client with the goal that their business income keeps on expanding. Number 3, relevance should be kind in with the objective in the item and synergistic with the right reason in showcasing. Number 4, time bound is they just need to decide how to accomplish this objective. For example, having an objective in the principal year until the next year. JJ's organization need to have a decent production to expand deal just as secret more item to be delivered. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Azlan. My metric number is A20A1453. Today, my topic is marketing strategy. Marketing strategy was divided to four. And the first is segmentation. Segmentation is division of the market into distinct group of buyer who different needs, character, or behavior, who might require separate product or marketing mix. Segmentation play huge in a successful or refusal of the company. For example, in the JJ, they have a lot of category clothes and accessories can be obtained in their company, such as jeans, tops, accessories, and clothes for guys and girls, where each category have a very own variety and different variation that can reach the taste and desire of young customer nowadays. The second is targeting. Targeting is process of evaluating each market segment, attractiveness, and setting one or more segment to enter in the market strategy, where the JJ provide a variety of attractive design which are able to attract interest of young people today. The third is differentiation. Differentiation is an strategy for approach business development by providing customer with something unique, is different and distinct from item that competitor may offer in the marketplace. For the differentiation, JJ use the term of animation for the guide, where there was a focus this marketing on shirt anime on guide only, so they can avoid the onset of product waste. For the last one is positioning. Positioning is the market was refer to the ability in influence customer perfection regarding a brand or product relative of to the competitors. For example, JJ company use the product shirt term of anime to compare with other brand who make an anime term on their shirt like Uniqlo, where the product of being offered by JJ are more high quality and the price is so expensive, so they can fight with the Uniqlo to sell a product of anime t-shirt.
I will continue my part. Marketing mix. What is the marketing mix? Marketing mix is the set of technical marketing tools that the firm learn to produce the response event in the target market. Other marketing mix is the product, price, place, and promotion, or we can know as 4P. Product strategy. In JJ, we produce the physical product. The product innovate already to make sure suit for Malaysian market. Our first product innovate it is Palazzo brand, and next product it is Plus Muslimah. Pricing strategy. The JJ's calculate suggests the retail price that it is deal with customer. Before we took the price, For our collection Muslimah wear, we already did the survey with community in Malaysia. We limit our percentage of increased price in our innovative product around 3% until 5% only. The palazzo pant only RM 80 and only RM 69 for Rose Muslimah. Next, let's strategy. The JJ had the online shop at Instagram which named as JJ. The JJ want to place this business to market this product at City. Lastly, promotion strategy. The JJ spent nearly RM 200,000 each year to do the promotion as advertising for customer to tell customer about the company and its many products. Discount strategy. The JJ did all keep the discount price each item. JJ always make the discount price each weekend. For example, we did a 50% discount with Ramadan month before that, and also did the discount 60% for purchase RM 150 and above. Alright, thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I want to present about action plan. Firstly, product. Strategy planning should take place before we dive into detailed work of building our roadmap and developing new features by brand judges. We will able to tie every feature back to a large goal and also create value to customers and the business. Our company also focus quality strategy on the customers who are looking for the highest quality product to the market. Our company use high quality fabrics to keep customer in a comfortable condition to wear. Our cannot create a product strategy without key objectives. These are specific goals or metrics that our will achieve as a result of building our product. They get our development team and help our measure success once the product is released. Secondly, price. Price gaming can be extremely helpful in helping our brand even faster. This strategy provides an ample amount of security guard that our initial price is not too extreme before making our product or service more accessible to the greater market. Our company make the strategy competitive pricing because drive our target audience away from our competitors and towards our brand judges. However, instead of making price increase later on, our will continue to track what our competitors are charging and bait them out. Our company having a strong pricing strategy in place can help our company better meet customer expectations by putting reason behind our higher or lower price. Besides place, our company will choose a place which is convenient and close to the market now. When my company choose a place in order to distribute their product to the customers, it is essential that the clothes should be available in close proximity to the target market. Secondly, our company will have an outlet on the main road in the center of the city, but outlet is not preferred to advertise more because of the proximity to a busy marketplace and good visibility to the customers. Lastly, promotion. All companies use the social media, such as Facebook, Instagram, and website. Our company offer social media offer our company a way to promote products and services in a more relaxed environment. Secondly, our company use sales promotion because performing a short-term marketing campaign to gain attention and encourage conversion or purchase. Our company can get immediate response and interactive to the customer, but it's not good for developing a long-term relationship. I want to present budgeting plan. This timetable shows administration budget. Item fixed assets, land and building 8,000 ringgit, equipment 1,500 ringgit, monthly salary 2,500 ringgit, utilities 400 ringgit, others registration and license 500 ringgit, advertisements 3,000, total for fixed assets 8,500 ringgit, total for monthly 2,900 ringgit, others total 3,500 ringgit, totally for all 8,700 ringgit. Secondly, this timetable shows marketing budget. Items fixed assets are poster and gift. Poster for 2,250 ringgit, gift 450 ringgit. Fixed expense, advertisements 800 ringgit, totally for monthly expenses 1,000 ringgit, 250 ringgit Malaysia, 1,250 ringgit Malaysia, totally for all 1,500 ringgit Malaysia.
Okay, what we can conclude about business stages is based on the change of design, packaging, and marketing. We hope to be accepted to Malaysian community and also to able to place this business more widely. Then we also hope this business can produce more entrepreneurs to generate side income. Thank you.